Our very first visit, we sat on this couch. Just coming back here just brings back all the memories. The nerds.
Just a year after giving birth to her son Ryder, Alicia Posey returned to her fertility clinic in Birmingham, Alabama this month for another milestone event.
We have Alicia Posey.
Alicia and her husband Kyle, who conceived Ryder with the help of IVF, now among an increasing number of patients opting to move their remaining frozen embryos out of state.
You feel more safe with your embryos in Colorado than you do here in Alabama.
I do. The main reason being the law. I don't feel comfortable having them here anymore.
The law, an unprecedented decision from Alabama's highest court in February, finding parents could sue an IVF clinic for wrongful death after their embryos were dropped on the floor. The underlying logic, equating embryos on ice to unborn children in the womb, prompted panic and an outcry, as embryos with abnormalities are routinely discarded as part of IVF to help patients avoid miscarriages or other complications. But the court decision didn't spell out any such exceptions, and most clinics feared legal jeopardy.
What has this year been like for you?
It's been stressful.
Dr. Karen Hammond is a founder of Innovative Fertility Specialists in Birmingham, one of the few clinics in the state that did not stop doing IVF. And now many of her patients, like Alicia, are moving their embryos to places with less restrictive laws.
Does it feel odd that people are planning their families around a court decision?
The whole thing feels odd to me.
Tomorrow Life Sciences, the cryo storage company Dr. Hammond has partnered with, says it's seen a 60% rise in direct patient inquiries in 2024 alone. In Alabama, lawmakers moved quickly after the court decision to pass a legislative fix. Still, the decision and its aftermath has put battle lines over reproductive choices into sharp focus this election year.
I'm the father of IVF.
He is the one who, by the way, is responsible for it being at risk in the first place.
While 13 states have introduced new bills that would give embryos legal rights.
Do you see this as almost ground zero in the fight over reproductive freedom and IVF?
You know, I think it is perhaps a reality check for what it means when the government is involved in reproductive rights.
With 16 embryos from Dr. Hammond's patients now in Colorado, her team is preparing for the next group to leave the state. Laura Jarrett, NBC News, Birmingham.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.